Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 70 Chevelle. Big block under the hood, automatic, red car, white stripes. You're gonna love checking this one out. She is a beauty, man. Let's start right up front here. Chrome grille, everything looking sweet. Love the white stripes, man. The white stripes just make these cars pop. Just looking sweet. We got the hood pins holding that hood down, all that horsepower. Great looking wheels on it. Love the factory wheels on these cars. Of course, we got the SS badges on the side. Check out this red interior. I did not used to be a fan of the red interior, but I tell you what, I love it these days. Everybody's got black. This is hot, man. We got seat belts in the front and in the rear. Package trays nice and clean. All the trim looks good around the back window there. Headliner's nice and tight. Shoulder belts are up there. Even got the red steering wheel. Dash pads looking sweet. All the trim on the dash is looking good. All the paintwork in there is looking awesome. Door jambs are nice and clean. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. All the rubber's been replaced. She is a beauty. And I tell you what, this red paint, I tell you, it is red. Gorgeous. Like I said, that white really makes it pop too. Got great looking chrome back here also. Inside the trunk floor, look at that. Always got to look at them trunk floors when you're looking at a muscle car. Wheel wells nice and tight. We got a spare tire in here. It looks like the jack's in there also. Even got the jack instructions in here. Looks like they got a new latch in here. Good looking paint. Always check these lips too on the deck lid. Always check the paint work here in the opening. Rubber's been replaced. Always get a good look down the side of the car too. Stand back and look at it. Check to see if the car's nice and straight, and the paintwork on this car is looking beautiful. Hats off to the painter. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do consignment work. That means we own all of our inventory. Right now we have a little over 200 cars in stock and we own every one of those cars. We go all over the United States buying these cars. Right now we're buying between 40 and 50 units every month, so we always have new inventory coming in. So watch us on Facebook, check us out on Instagram, check out our website often at vanguardmotorsales.com. Call Tom anytime, ask any question about any car. One of the first things we do when we get them here is get them up on the lift and inspect them. Now I've got quite a few years of experience in the business and I'm using all of that experience to help you pick out your dream car. All right, 70 Chevelle, big block power time. Man, does it sound good. This thing wants to get up and go. Red, white stripes, ready to go. Sounding tough, looking tough, beautiful restoration. Let's giddy up, go. One of the coolest cars on the planet. Pull in anywhere. Everybody knows what you got. You got you a '70 Chevelle with a cowl induction hood. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can deliver this car anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom can explain the whole situation to you. How easy it is to park this dream in your drive. And if you need help with financing, how easy we can make that for you also. The bankers only take about 10 minutes on the phone. We take care of all the paperwork for you. All you have to do is make that phone call to Tom. He answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. Call him anytime you like. Now look down here on the dash. The tach's working, the speedo's working. It's got vintage air. We've got an aftermarket radio in it. Power steering. Feeling good, driving good, sounding good, looking good. We're ready to go, guys. Now, at Vanguard, we are very close to the airport. We actually have 2 locations right here. We have our main building, and then we have our storage facility that's only a couple miles from the main building. So when you come out to visit us, you might have to run over to the other building and check out the cars. If you're coming out to see a specific car, make sure you call Tom, let him know you're coming so we can make sure we have it ready for you. Sometimes we have to move some cars around. We have well over 200 cars in stock, 80,000 square feet under roof. So we gotta do a little car Tetris, I call it, every now and then. We are close to the airport, so if you wanna fly in, if you wanna drive in on a Saturday, here's our building. We're at 15100 Keel Street. So stick with us. We're gonna put this car up in the air for you right now so you can check out the underside. All right, we're underneath the Chevelle now, and it is pretty under here. Look at that trunk floor. The coating on that trunk floor is gorgeous. The bushings look good. The exhaust is beautiful. The tips look good. Tank looks like it's new. We got disc brakes on the car. We got 373 gears in here, and it is Posi, and it is a 12 bolt. And yes, it is just as easy as counting all the bolts. We got new brake lines. I already pointed out the disc brakes. Looks like fairly new shocks. The lower control arms are reinforced, and it does have the reinforcing braces that all the SS's had. All the fuel lines look like they're new. Floorboards are nicely coated, nice and clean. I always look at the low areas on the frames here, so make sure if you're shopping for a car, you always check out this area of the frame, and it's real easy to look inside the frame right here. Always make sure you feel the back sides of the rockers too. Back side of this rocker is smooth as can be. This is the parking brake cable. We do have a new brake line going front to back also. Now this car's been upgraded to a 4-speed automatic trans. This is a 700 R4. The exhaust system is all welded up, all front to back. Again, low area in the frame, another good area to check out. You can see that this car's been upgraded to tubular front suspension. It does have disc brakes in the front. The cross member in the front is another thing to look at on every one of these cars. The sway bar bushings. Also look at the front frame horns, check those out for straightness. Check out the core support. The core support's one of the first things to go on a car because again, it's kind of a shelf. It kind of holds crap in there. So if a car's gonna rot out, one of the things, the first thing to go is the core support. You can see this back side of this front bumper is nice and clean. The wheel wells are nice and clean. The wheel lip moldings look nice. The paint job on the wheels look good. The trim rings look good. We got two 45/60/15s on the tires. I always look at the bottom sides of the front fenders too. That edge right there kind of tells the story. That edge is nice and clean. You can see the nice paint work on the frame. That pinch weld where those two pieces of metal come together, that's also a telltale sign of the condition of the car. Out back here, I see two 75/60/15s. The wheel lip moldings here also look good, and I also always feel around in here. Just be careful feeling around there. There's a lot of sharp stuff in there. Let's get under the hood, see what's making power. All right, under the hood here, we have a 1975 model 454. That's what year the block was cast. It's got a quadra-jet carburetor on it. It looks like it's got a factory style intake on it. It's got a fairly new alternator. I still see a paper sticker on it. You can see the updated crossbars and brand new shims here in the upper control arms. It does have power brakes. It does have late model air conditioning. It does have power steering. The great big cross-flow radiator looks like it's fairly new. You can see the paint on the bottom side of the hood's looking good. The inner wheelhouses are also looking good. The firewall is in great shape. Those exhaust manifolds are looking stock and looking good. We've got good looking spark plug wires here. It's got GM hoses on it. All the wiring looks good here. Just a beautiful car inside and out, guys. She's a 454, she's a Chevelle. She's a 1970 model, which is the most popular, guys. Call us, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.